These air fryer canned potatoes make the best roast potatoes with zero effort. Super easy and budget friendly, and the potatoes come out incredibly crispy. You will be surprised how something from a cheap tin can rival traditional roast potatoes. To make these crispy air fryer roast potatoes, pour 1 can of tinned potatoes into a mixing bowl. Make sure to drain all the liquid first to help them crisp up better. Then add a light drizzle of olive oil to the potatoes. Then add a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then add a teaspoon of rosemary. You can really use any seasoning combination you like. Then give the potatoes a good toss till the potatoes are evenly coated with the oil and seasonings, as you can see here. Next, pour the potatoes into your air fryer basket. Try to arrange them in a single layer. This allows the hot air to circulate all around them, which is the secret to getting these perfectly crispy roast potatoes. Air fry the canned potatoes in a preheated air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 minutes. The exact time might vary slightly depending on your air fryer model and how crispy you like them. You want the potatoes to turn golden brown with a crispy outer shell. The inside will stay soft and fluffy, giving you that perfect roast potato texture without all the usual fuss and time. If you like these crispy air fryer canned potatoes, then check out this crispiest air fryer baked potatoes hack here. Perfect for when you do not have canned potatoes, but still want an easy, delicious potato side dish.